Iwai is used for birthdays, passing exams, and weddings. You say it when you give a gift or message to share your feelings. 祝いは誕生日、合格、結婚などの時に使います。プレゼントやメッセージで気持ちを伝える時に言います。It is used as a noun. The word iwai refers to the act of celebrating, the words of congratulations, or a congratulatory gift. おめでとうと伝える行動、言葉、または贈り物を指します。The single kanji means to celebrate and to bless. You see it in 祝日, which is a public holiday. You also see it in 祝福, the idea of giving blessings. Think happy events and positive wishes. Today I'm celebrating my friend's success. 今日は友達の合格祝いをします。今日は友達の合格祝いをします。I sent flowers as a wedding gift. 結婚祝いに花を贈りました。結婚祝いに花を贈りました。We all had a little celebration. みんなで小さな祝いをしました。みんなで小さな祝いをしました。I eat cake to celebrate my birthday. 誕生日の祝いにケーキを食べます。誕生日の祝いにケーキを食べます。The most common synonym of the word is 祝福. It overlaps when you express good wishes or blessings, but iwai is also the event or the gift itself, while 祝福 is mainly the feeling or words. The most common antonym of the word is tomurai. While iwai is about happy occasions and congratulations, tomurai is about honoring the dead and expressing sorrow.